Hello, hi guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. So yes, this video is about the Yaya and Marvin. Guys, Yaya is in Nigeria as we speak. Yaya is in Nigeria with Marvin. Can you believe it? I cannot. I'm very happy that Yaya finally decided to go to Nigeria, and explore Nigeria. I hope she pushes and pushes and enjoy the country. She pushes business and everything. So yeah, I will post the video so that we can watch it once again. So please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thanks. Bye.
Yaya is coming to Nigeria, so let's go get her from the airport. I'm almost there. We're here. Let's meet her. Let's go, Yaya. Welcome to Nigeria.
I'm so excited.
Oh, yo, I'm just sharing.
It's